Hello, my name is Connor, and today I will be teaching you on how to make a video. First thing you need to do is think of a good idea. Next, you have to write your script. Make sure it's interesting and not boring. Next, you have to plan your shot composition and where you're going to edit stuff in for later. Then, you start filming. Make sure your shots look interesting and dynamic. Finally, the hard part, the editing. This part will usually give you trouble at first, but eventually, you'll get the hang of it. Make sure your audio lines up well, and make sure it's very interesting to watch for people. After that, you have to render it. And finally, your video is done.